This is a stainless steel 60 centimeter gas hob from Montani, model MB105X. It's got a nice ergonomic position of the burners, where you can use two large burners for large cooking pans. The burner on the left is 3.8 kilowatt burner, suitable also for cooking on wok pans. The front burner is small with a reducer for using very small pans or Italian type coffee pots. You got ergonomic front control knobs with very nice finish, matching stainless steel, and there is an ignition, under knob ignition, and all burners have got flame fatal device, which means it's a special safety feature, which means that when there is no gas income, the flame is cut off. It's for security reasons. All our hobs are set for natural gas with LPG jets, which your engineer can easily convert it. Nice flat design, Montani, made in Italy.